What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we're looking at USDCAD. This was a trade I took earlier this morning, and it was also a trade that I called out for my students on our live signal session. So if we look into the past, you'll notice that we have this strong area of support right here, and right before price dips back into this area of support, we notice that the NFP news dropped. So usually when it comes to NFP, the initial impulse move that happens is usually just used to entice people to get in on the wrong side of the trade. So if NFP news drops and it says something's supposed to be positive, usually what you'll see is a pretty significant drop before price starts going the intended direction, so they can entice people to get stopped out of their trades. So once we noticed that we had this support level, we noticed that price was coming back into it because of the NFP news. I also noticed that it appeared that price was trying to break the support level, but never gave any clear indications that it was going to break. We can see how every time price comes into the support area, price just shoots right back up. See, every time that price comes below, it just comes right back to it. And then finally, we can see that we have a double bottom pattern forming right here at this support. So once I noticed this, I also noticed that our support area that we have marked from over here is also roughly where the neckline of this pattern would be. So once we take everything into consideration, we understand all of our confirmations, I simply started looking at the price action. And we can see right here, if we get a closer look, that we have price consolidating very heavily, and then we have this very, very bullish candle right here, signaling that this is the way the market wants to go, because no longer are the sellers in control. The buyers now have full power. So as soon as that candle closed, we got in with this candle right here, and we took a 10 or 15 minute call. I can't remember which one it is. I think it was a 15-minute call, and our trade closed up here. So this was a very, very simple trade. You just have to take into consideration everything before you actually place your trade. You want to identify the area that the market is in. You want to make sure that there's no news events that may skew or get you in trouble with taking a trade too early or too late. And you also want to make sure that you're paying attention to what happens at these key areas and reading the price action, because price action is king. Indicators are cool and strategies are cool, but at the end of the day, all of those things rely on price action, what the candle patterns and candlesticks are actually showing you. So at the end of the day, why bother with all of that stuff when it relies on price action to give you that information? Indicators, they just take price action and give it to you in a different visual form. So why not just learn where it's getting all of its data from and master that versus relying on an indicator? That's just my personal take. Price action's king in my opinion, and you can see that I win a majority of my trades just trading price action and keeping trading simple. So if you guys have any questions over anything that we talked about in this video, just drop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you want to see when I take these trades live and get a little bit more in-depth information about trading, just go ahead and follow me on Facebook or Instagram and check out my stories. With that being said, if you guys also enjoyed anything about this video or found it helpful, please smash that like button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm and spreads my video to more people that could possibly need these videos to help them with trading. It's free to do, so like I said, if you like it, just hit that like button or subscribe. That being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.